right now. You are now tuned in. Pen crispy. I'm still going.
So first I'm going to start by taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige, and I'm going to be priming my eyelids. Taking my damp beauty blender and blending that out. So I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to be taking Candy Peach, and this is going to be on my this is going to be my transition shade. Taking that. Alright, so I'm going to go into my ColourPop palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade, which is called Champs, and I'm going to just darken it up. Alright, so now I'm going to take this like medium brown shade, and this is called Puree, in the peach palette, sweet peach palette, and putting it in the outer corner. So since I want the outer corner to be a little bit more darker, I'm going to be taking this darker brown shade, and it's called Mischief, and putting that on the top as well. Alright, so since I'm doing a half cut crease, I'm going to go back into my concealer and carve out my crease. Alright, so on my lid I'm going to take like this light peach shade, and it's called Bling, and place it all over my lid. Now I'm just going to take my brush that I used with the brown and blend it out. Alright, I'm going to be taking my gel eyeliner by NYX and creating my wing liner. Please, baby. Alright, so I'm going to move right on to the face, and I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in 330 Toffee Caramel, and this is the matte kind. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying that to my face. Alright, so I'm going to highlight with my AOA concealer and with my LA Girl Pro concealer. So I'm just going to put this on the bottom. And then put the LA Girl Pro concealer on top. Alright, so I'm going to go back into my eyes and do my bottom lash line with this white eyeliner. So I'm going to add just like a little pop of color. So I'm going to be taking this blue shade right here. And this is in my BH Cosmetics palette, Taking Back to Brazil. I'm going to take this blue and add it to the outer corner. And under this blue, I'm going to go back into the ColourPop palette and use Champs. And put it under. Now I'm going to take my mascara and bring out the bottom lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to take this concealer in Toast and contour. And I'm going to take some of this foundation powder in Mocha. And I'm going to just go on top of that. Do my forehead. Going back into my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige and just cutting my contour. Alright, so I'm going to be highlighting with Wet n Wild. And this one is called Crown of My Canopy. It's like a rose gold color. I'm already glowing and I ain't even put on highlighter yet. And I just take my beauty blender and just tap away like the excess so it's not too crazy. Alright, so I'm going to highlight my brow bone and I'm going to be using Bling. The same shade I used on my eyelid. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to be taking this NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick, and this one is called Push Up. Pop off the gloss. want to add some brown in there just because it's like a little too pink for me. It makes my lips look ashy. Alright, so you guys, that is all for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!